Hey, what's up guys? Nick here again with Pits and Grills. We are working on one of our game day recipes. We're doing jalapeno popper egg rolls today. We're starting with 6 ounces of shredded cheddar. We've got 12 ounces of cream cheese. We've got half a pound of thick cut bacon. We've cut into about 1-inch strips here. We did put a little bit of butcher barbecue honey rub on these before we put them on the pellet grill. But we cooked this on the pellet grill at 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. We don't want it to get really crispy because if it gets crispy when we go to mix it all up, it's gonna break up into 2 small pieces. And then we have 5 jalapenos that we diced. We have done this recipe with pickled jalapenos and it is really good as well. If you wanna go that route, we recommend 12-ounce jar of, we just use pre-diced pickled jalapenos. Ran them through a strainer so we got all the liquid off of it, and it gives it a nice tangy flavor. Maybe not quite as spicy as the fresh stuff, especially if you leave the seeds in like we did. So we're just gonna mix all that stuff up into this bowl. Get our cheeses in there. Go in with those jalapenos. Bacon in there. And then we're gonna do 1 tablespoon of the bacon jalapeno rub from Big Papa Smokers. We're gonna do 2 of the tablespoons of W's Fireshire sauce. So as you can tell, we like things a little bit spicy around here. And if you don't, you can use the regular W sauce, and you can do this with seeded jalapenos, where you take out the core. And we're just gonna mix it up till we get it all well combined, and then we will start wrapping up the egg rolls. All right, so here we go. We're ready to roll these egg rolls up. Get our egg roll wrapper. You can see we've got our mixture well combined. We've got a little egg right here. And then, I do this barehanded. Gloves are kind of hard to work with because this is real tacky, unless they're real tight. But I like to do that, and then you can use a spoon if you want to, but it's easier just to kind of shape this with your hand. Now, put it in the center, take the back portion and pull it back towards you just a little bit to tighten that up. Roll it forward just a little, in with the 2 sides. A little egg on your finger. Roll it up. You don't want to have any seams open, or you will end up with your filling coming out when it goes in the fryer. All right, so we've been in the peanut oil for just a couple of minutes here. So they got a nice golden brown. All right guys, so the egg rolls turned out absolutely incredible. For a nice little change of pace, you can add this general sauce to the top of it. It's the chicken wing sauce. Absolutely incredible. You can use this as a dipping sauce. You can use this as a drizzle the way that we did it. You can always dip it in ranch as well. That would be a great flavor for these egg rolls. But they turned out absolutely incredible. If you do want to back off on the jalapeno flavor just a little bit, you can knock it down to 4 of them. 5 of them is quite a lot, but that's what I really enjoy. So please make these for your next football gathering, and they are sure to be a crowd pleaser.